because of having different names. Another important issue is partnerships. Partnerships are very, very important for us. In the music sector before COVID, I recall some of you used to have joint musical shows, isn't it? But how many of us do that? How many of us here have done joint musical performances? You see? Again, very few. The importance of partnerships is to know the strength of the other to help you fill your weakness. And so if you are, for example, from Ankole, let's say Ankole region, and you have 4 associations there, is there a way you can agree on a partnership? Because partnerships help us in many ways. It increases on our number, it increases on our voice, and it can increase on our benefits. So it's important we encourage partnerships. And what came out also is we don't read. We don't read. We just get documents and we sign. Never accept anybody to tell you, please sign quickly, I'm in a hurry. There's no hurry. So if you don't read, that is why we got into this challenge, which is being mentioned by UPRS. Please take your time and read. Another important issue is lobbying. Lobbying. Yesterday, and you watch, I'm sure you do watch a lot of television programs. And there was a program yesterday, not yesterday, today is a Saturday, on Thursday, where the chairperson of National Planning Authority said they are going to put more emphasis to those sectors which have not been supported. Did you see that? So has your sector been supported? No. So this is where you need to lobby. Not just watch things on TV, on radio, and listen, and you do nothing about it. Now that you know that you must lobby, those are the things you should be able to call either the president of the association and say, President, I've heard this, how can we benefit? So that is what they call lobbying. You need to lobby with the MPs, you need to lobby with ministries, you need to lobby with everybody that you've done with Microfinance Support Center. And then finally, I know that saving is a challenge to everybody. Even me, until 2009, I used to have challenges in saving. But when I finished school, I started saving for my children. I would save for them 5,000. And you know my salary that time was only 3,000. Can you believe I had a salary of 3,000? My salary was 3,000. You want to know the year? 1990. I can even show you my pay slip. So I started saving for them. Then in between, I think I had a challenge. I started to withdraw that money. After all, it was my money. I was saving for my children, so I could use it anywhere I want. Then in 2009, Mr. Chichi of Enterprise Uganda came and started to talk to us about mindset change. So we need to look at our minds. What are we thinking about? Do we think we are rich? And are we rich? With saving, you can start small. But even with saving, I used to, in 2020, January, my niece. So do not look at young people and say they don't know what they do. I talked to my niece. I said, have you given your mom some money? She said, no, I'm not giving my mom any money. I said, why? She said, you know what? I educated her children, her brothers and sisters, so I'm not adding anything. Then she said, I've told her the principles of saving. And I would like you to listen to this saving of 20%, 10%. There was 10, 3 times. There was emergency, there is investment, then saving to God, then you do the other saving, yes, expenditure. Once you do that, you always have money at all times. If you want to invest the other money, you say that is good. If you don't want to invest it, it is still okay. Now, when that lockdown came, I think it was 3 months, about 3 months, it was about 3 months. That money helped me. I did not go wrong. So kindly I ask you.